So when you're starting off with teaching a child about the ball, you want to make sure that they feel very safe and comfortable. So you can hold the baby facing you with two hands around the waist and set them right on the middle of the ball. And you can do some gentle movement and just let them feel it and get acquainted. So one of the favorite songs for me to use on the ball is the Wheels on the Bus, so I can go round and round. They can go up and down, and I can let them feel some bouncing. Kids usually love that. I can do the wipers go swish, swish, swish. I can do the driver says move on back and have them do a little bit of a mini sit up, and I don't stress them. I don't want them to go too far and feel scared. So it's just a gentle back and forth. They can do the horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The doors on the bus, I can help them go open and shut. Okay. And the nice thing is that they're very face to face with you. They get to see your face, they get to imitate your facial expressions, engage in the song. They feel very safe.